Hi, this is Viktor Gamov with Confluent, and in this lesson I will show you how we can use Topic Builder to programmatically create topics. Let's get to it. So when I go here in my Confluent Cloud cluster, I can click Add Topic, and after that I can create a topic with some default configuration, topic 1, or I can customize those settings. I can go change the number of partitions, I can change a cleanup policy, I can set retention. By default, as you can see, it uses infinite retention, so you can store your data inside this Confluent Cloud as long as you want. Also, you can specify the maximum size of the message. So those things that you can change in your UI. So let's take a look how Spring Boot and Spring Kafka can help us to create these topics programmatically. So in order to do so, we need to do a couple of things here. In order to tell the Spring that this particular topic or this something needs to be created, we need to create a bean with a specific type. And in this case, Spring will understand this. It will use this topic configuration and automatically instantiate admin client and execute required operation. So let's get to it. Let's create a new bean with type of new topic, and we will use a topic builder class in order to instantiate this topic. New topic, Hobbit 2. We'll make it as a bean. We just do return something, topic builder, with name Hobbit 2. We can specify a number of partitions. In this case, partition count will be also, let's do 12. Next thing, we'll also specify a number of replicas. It's 3 because we're running this in the cloud. This is the minimum required. And after that, when I click build, I will be able to get a new topic that I will be able to return. And here I can also inline this, so it will not be used. Now, so what we will expecting to see here, when I run this application, I will expecting this topic will be available in my Confluent Cloud UI. Go into topics. And now I have topic Hobbit 2 with configuration of 12 partition. This is what we did. Let's try to change configuration. So if this topic was created before, we'll be able to change configuration. Say we want to change the number of partitions from 12 to 15. As you can see, my configuration just changed, and because the topic was already existed in my cluster, admin API will try to alter config because the previous version of this topic included 12 partitions, and this topic includes now 15 partitions. That's how does it work. Once again, you need to use this bean, and in this case, Spring Boot will be able to identify that this topic needs to be created. It will initiate admin client, and this admin client will execute method create or replace for new topics. And now you know how we can programmatically create topic or change the config of existing topic using Spring Boot and Spring Kafka.